Hello, this is Robbie from Play on 10 Productions. This mixing tip is about using a noise gate as an expander to minimize leakage in your drum tracks. When you do really hard gating, what happens is it'll cut out the stuff you don't want, but it's also really going to affect your tone. I'm going to show you how to use gating so it's much more transparent and subtle, but still just as effective. The first thing I'm going to do is open up my noise gate and set it to a hard gate because that's where it sounds its worst. Then I'm going to work on making the effects more smooth. With a kick and solo, the first thing I'm going to do is bring up the threshold till the gate starts working. You can hear that the snare's still poking through, so I'm going to change the sidechain. The sidechain tells the gate what to listen to. It doesn't affect your signal. I'm going to tell it to listen to the ultra low frequencies that are only there in the kick drum hits. Then I'm going to make sure the release is long enough to let the hit ring out. Next, I'll work on the mechanics of the gate. If I turn the ratio down and bring up the knee, the gate's going to go on and off in a much smoother fashion. You won't hear it working. The depth control is the most important for the expansion process. It tells you how much you're reducing your signal when the gate's turned on. I typically only have the expander reduced by about 12 dB because I don't want to lose the subtleties of the hit. Listen to how much of each hit you lose at drastic settings. When you A/B the expander setup versus no gating whatsoever, you can definitely hear that your leakage goes way down, but you still haven't ruined the tone of your hits. This strategy will help you reduce smear and phasiness in your drum tracks without cutting out the tone and live vibe that are all too easy to lose with heavy gating. For more quick and easy mixing tips, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to my website www.playon10.com where you can hear examples of my work and links to how you can have your tracks mixed by me.